Hello family, this is Travis and I's apartment. I'm going to take you on a tour. So here goes. Okay, this is our dining room. We have the free table and chairs from Tyler and Andrea and the tablecloth. Lovely table runner. This is from Janice and Jerry Kilson. I think it's kind of like a decorative baker's rack, but just storage. We hung your little painting up there, Patty. Travis brought that down with him. I love it. Front door. Travis will be coming back in any second. He went to do laundry. My pottery down there next to the couch. These couches we got for free. We have one here and one in the back room from one of our professors. Here's a little photo collage that I did of the wedding and all that. Fun. This is the whole living room. And we got that overstuffed chair for free, and the table, and the entertainment center, and the end table. Everything for free from Andrea and Tyler, except for the table. Our upstairs neighbor gave it to us. She knew we were moving in. We got that TV for free from Diana and Nathan. They got one from their parents, so they gave us their old one. Okay, here's the kitchen. Travis likes to practice writing Japanese and dry erase markers. On our fridge, it's a pretty nice kitchen. It's got a lot of cupboard space. And no dishwasher. So, Travis is the dishwasher. He does the dishes and I do the cooking. So it's a little messy right now. Not too bad. Pizza in the oven. Those canisters I got from Janice. There's my little turnabout thing, I think. I can't remember what it's called. Here's some pictures in the hall. Here's a nice portrait of me and Trev from the wedding. And then one of the pictures I gave him when we were dating still. This is the bedroom, and the bed's not made because it's usually never made. We have just an air mattress because it works nice and we're not going to be here forever, with a futon mattress pad on the top. And we don't have any dressers. We just use our little closet. That's our shoe. All these shoes are mine. And those are Travis's way down there. Those two. Oh, he does have some boots in here, I guess. So there's our closet. Lovely. Oh, that's my half. That's Travis's half. Okay. Next. This is our bathroom. Turn on the light. It's a little dirty. You can't see that in this, but it is. Some shelves I got from Janice. I put on some little things. Bathtub, shower curtain. Lovely. Picked it just because we needed one, because we needed to take showers, but it matches our towels great. And there we are. Sink. Okay. And the office. Last time I filmed this, the office was a mess. Everything was on the floor on a blanket because we didn't know where to put anything. This is Travis's desk, and he has the bigger one, which is nice. And then the printer. I made storage boxes out of cardboard boxes with contact paper over them, and we put little slots in it so that we can store stuff. Kind of nice. Cheap. I'm cheap. Oh, this is our hide-a-couch. So, if anybody from Alaska gets a wild hair to come down and visit, this is the bed you'll probably stay on. Well, we'll probably give you our bed and we'll sleep on that because hide-a-beds are uncomfortable. And that's my desk. We actually got this desk for $15 at a furniture used place, just some little shop. And then we were looking and looking for weeks for a desk, and we found this for $5, a matching desk at the Goodwill store. So That was pretty cool. I made a storage box for my desk too, and so. And then we bought one bookshelf from Walmart, and we're gonna need another one, because this isn't even all the books we have. I have most of my textbooks out in the living room on the baker's rack, so we're just gonna need some more storage. Here's some of our decorations. Picture from Mandy that she gave me a while ago. Our Japanese, I don't know what those wall hangings, I guess. Some pictures. And I guess we'll say hi to the man of the house and then say goodbye.
Bye.
Hi, bye.
Hi, bye.